oink, 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 oink. How does the bucket say splash, 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 splash? How does the cow say moo, 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 moo? How does the sheep say ba, 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 ba? How does the sheepdog say woof, 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 woof? How does the tractor say vroom, 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 vroom? How does the wheat say swish, 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 swish? How does the lamb say ba, 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 ba? How does the chick say cheep, 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 cheep? How does the hen say cluck, 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 cluck? How does the egg say quack, 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 quack? Please subscribe and like our channel. Bye. Please subscribe our page, like and share. Bye bye.